They will. This is Danny. I sure appreciate your time, Will. This is the clock. I think you might remember. It's a Hamberg American, and it's at the top of the hour right now. And this part is the one that I filed it off down here too short because of all the way that all of this over here works. You know, Shutterbug seems to think that this secondary lift right here from the star cam has got something to do with it, but he says it doesn't look original, but I look at it good. It looks like original. So anyway, we'll go through these. I'll go through the whole quarters and then the top of the hour. You see how it's in Warren, and it fires, and it's, you know, it's chiming now. And see, then this right here is what shuts this arrests the train when that's what stops everything. This little pin is on a lever back here, and it has a wheel with a stop pin on it, and it arrests that train. So then we go on to the half hour. Okay, it goes into Warren. That seems to be working fine. And you know, everything looks okay. And so then we'll go on to the 3/4 hour, and it seems to be all right. That's Warren, and that's chime. So it's on this hour that you'll see what happens here in a second. And I'm going to have to really go back and read all of my posts on that I did, so I can familiarize myself. I'm kind of busy. I haven't been able to do it, but I will soon. And there's no rush on your comments. This is my clock. I'll never sell it. It's not going anywhere, and I'm not in that big of a hurry to get it, you know, going. But you know, if you're just like we're all sitting around with nothing to do, but if you got a minute, okay, here's the hour. And watch how it fires the hour strike way too soon. But I don't remember what it did do. See, it's coming up. It's not even in Warren yet. And it's okay. So that's Warren. You see, it fired this strike over here, and I don't think it was supposed to do that yet. So then when it starts chiming. So now we got chime and we got strike at the same time. That's what I need to figure out how to change. So if you see something there, shoot me a comment. But see it now, it's coming to the end of its strike. So that's it, brother. I appreciate any help, and like I say, no rush, at your convenience. All right, brother. God bless you. Thank you. And I hope we get to meet someday on this side. See ya.